Friends, greetings from Iceland. We are done with 7.5 kilometers biking. We'll leave our bike here, you see, and we will this way up the hill through the canyon to the volcano. This is the terrain I was biking. I came from there. We're walking to the volcano. This is the route I bike it. I came from there, you see. There's not many people today, actually no people, like 1-2 kilometers around me there is not a single soul. It's not like Croatia with overcrowded beaches where you can't find a place to sit down because it's all occupied. I wonder why people don't come here. There's so much free space, you know, and its air quality is much better. And also water is much cleaner. But of course we don't have warm sea, but you don't necessarily need it. We have hot swimming pools in Iceland, you know. It's a good substitute. But I guess people want to get suntan, which is not always possible in Iceland. Well, it's possible some days in summer, but not often. Anyway, I will walk up this mountain. And I will walk from this side. I'm not sure even how to walk better. Yeah, it's kind of too steep. I think I will walk around this mountain like normal. It's just easier. And then I will walk around to the volcano from the other side. I went once here. It's so complicated there, you know. So some people drag their bikes uphill here and then they bikes through this terrain, but the steep canyon that they drag your bike through. So this is how Iceland looks today. It's very little grass here, almost no grass, and strong wind blowing. Worst is when you have strong wind and rain together, that's worst. But if it's just wind, it's okay. I hope I can make it to the volcano with this wind. Hope that behind the mountain there will be less wind to fly drone. So we keep walking, I keep you informed very soon what is going on behind the mountain. This you imagined on the slopes of this mountain, and now I made it for the first time to the very summit of it, which was challenging because it's quite steep rise. And now we will see volcano. And down there somewhere. Ooh. It's just sand here. There you see the old volcano, which is very whitish, yellowish.